नमस्कार सर।
नमस्ते एवरीवन। नमस्ते अनुराधा जी, कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया सर, आप कैसे हैं?
अच्छा हूँ।
Namaste.
नमस्ते, हाउ आर यू?
Very well, thank you.
You just sit straight on your mat. Gently close your eyes, take a deep inhale and exhale. Prepare yourself for today's class. Prepare your mind, prepare your body. Now we'll start our today's class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep inhale. Om. Bring your both palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. Gently go down your head towards God. And while blinking, just open your eyes. Now just stand up on your mat. Come in front of your mat for Samasthiti. Ekam, take 1 feet distance from a mat and prepare yourself for sun salutation 8. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva. So exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Steady inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1. Deep inhale, deep exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Again, hold 1, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale, again raise your arms up. 2, exhale. Three inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta bend your both knees, jump front. Asto exhale. Nava inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up, come for the chair pose. To exhale, go fully forward down. Third inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior 8. Ashto exhale, jump back chaturanga. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior 8. Dwadasa exhale, jump back chaturanga. Triyodasa inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam inhale. Chair pose. 2 exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior 8. Ashto exhale, jump back chaturanga. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior 8. Dwadasa exhale, jump back chaturanga. Triyodasa inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. Hold there. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam inhale. Wait, exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior 8. To exhale, jump back chaturanga. Nava inhale. Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior 8. Dwadasa exhale, jump back chaturanga. Triyodasa inhale. Chaturdasa exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa exhale. Saptadasa inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, Ekam inhale. 3 exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shut exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round, Ekam, inhale. Exhale. Reni, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Chat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Panchadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your leg, shoulder width apart for Padangushtasana. Keep your both palms on your waist. Exhale, bend forward down. Grab your both big toes with your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look front. Lengthen your spine. Make the G. You have to keep your legs open, hip distance apart, or your shoulder distance. Reduce the distance between your legs. According to your shoulders, the broadness of your shoulders, you have to keep your feet open. Yes. Now to exhale, bend your both elbows, look between your both legs and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, keep your both palms under your feet. Chatwari, exhale, bend fully forward down again. Look between your both legs. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, look front. Exhale, keep your palms on your waist. Panchadasha, inhale all the way, come up. Pancha. Exhale, jump back into Samasthiti. Now Ekam, inhale, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart, both arms by the side. Do exhale, bend forward down towards your right feet, right toe out, left toe in for triangle pose, Utthita Trikonasana. Inhale, look up at your left palm and hold there for 5 counts. 1. Keep pushing your hips in and chest out. 2. Push your hips inside. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. 3, inhale, come up. Again, change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Chatwari, exhale, bend towards the left side and grab your left big toe with your first 2 fingers. And inhale, look up at your right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Exhale, stepping your right foot front for the Samasthiti. Take your legs. Now we'll do Parivartit Trikonasana. Take an inhale again, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Both arms on your waist, both palms on your waist. Now turn your hips out, right toe left toe in. Inhale, lift your left arm up, Exhale, go exhale, place your left palm out of your right feet. Parivartit Trikonasana. Place your left palm out of your right feet. Square your hips. Inhale, look up at your right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Training, inhale, come up. Change your side. Chatwari, exhale. Place your right palm on out of your left feet now. And inhale, look up at your left palm and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Punch. Exhale, look down. Pancha, inhale, come up. Exhale again, come back into Samasthiti. Stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Now again, take a inhale, send your right leg back for Parshvakonasana. Utthita Parshvakonasana. Right toe out, left toe in. Inhale, raise your both arms by the side. Exhale, bend down. Do exhale, bend down. Bend your right knee at 90 and place your right elbow on your right knee. Inhale, lift your left arm over your head and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Turn your left toe out, right toe in. Training, exhale, bend forward towards the left side. Place your left elbow on your left knee. Inhale again, right arm over your head. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, look down. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Pancha, again, stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti. Now, Parivartit Parshvakonasana. Again, inhale, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Now, bend your right toe at 90, right leg at 90, sorry. Right knee, right toe out, left toe in. Now, exhale, place your left elbow on your right knee, do it, and make namaste and twist. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Training, inhale, come up and bend forward towards the left side. Bend your left knee at 90. Place your right elbow on your left knee or Parivartit Parshvakonasana from your left leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Chatwari, inhale, come up. Pancha, stepping your right foot front for Samasthiti. Take your legs. Again, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Both toes front, toes in and heel out. Do exhale, bend forward down. Place your both palms on your mat. Make the G, open your legs 4.5 feet apart. And open your legs more. Parasarita Paduttanasana. Open your legs more. You have to keep 4.5 distance apart your feet. Make the G, your feet is still too close. You will not able to touch your head if you will stay this close with your feet. Exhale, bend your both elbows. Try to touch your crown head on the mat. Make the G, open your legs more. More. 5. Inhale, look front, straight your both elbows. Exhale, keep your palm on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up and raise your arms by the side. Again, grab interlock, grab your both. Place your both palms on your waist. Inhale, lift your chest up and exhale, bend forward down. Now pull your elbows closer to each other and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, all the way come up. Exhale, release the palms, hands both sides. Again, inhale, interlace your fingers behind your back, lift your chest up, look up, and exhale, bend down. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come all the way up. Exhale, release the hands by the side. Inhale, keep your both palms in a waist. Exhale, bend forward down. Try to touch your crown or try to touch your both palms on your toes. Grab your both big toes with your both hands. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Look front. Exhale, bend your both elbows outside and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, release your palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti.
When we wait for like 5 seconds, do we need to inhale and exhale, or we need to keep the breath as it is?
When you stay in the posture in Ashtanga, you have to inhale and deep exhale.
So you can, in between, you can inhale and exhale.
Yeah, you have to do. While holding the posture, you have to breathe, but you have to remember, you have to take deep breathing.
Okay.
So where were we? Okay, yes, next. Parshvottanasana. Send your right leg back again. 4 feet apart. Right foot out and left feet in. Pyramid pose, you have to make pyramid pose. Right toe out, left toe in. Square your hips towards the right side. Inhale. Make namaste behind your back. Lift your chest up. Look up. And exhale, bend down towards your right leg. Touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knees, and chin on your chin. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Now turn your left toe out and right toe in. Exhale, bend down towards your left leg, and again hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again, come up. Exhale, stepping your right foot front into Samasthiti, just removing your hands down. Now we'll do Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Ekam, inhale, bend your right leg at the knee. Grab your right big toe from your first 2 fingers. Lift your chest up. And do exhale, bend down, try to touch your chin on your chin, and with your left palm, you can give support on your waist. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come up. Exhale, take your right leg towards the right side. Again hold 1, 2, 3, inhale and exhale, bring your right leg front. And exhale again, bend down, try to touch your chin on your chin. And release the leg for Ekpadasana in the air. 1, hold there for 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your leg down. Now change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee, grab your left big toe, inhale, straight your leg, lift your head up. Again, exhale, bend down, try to touch your chin on your chin and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, head up, straight your knee. Exhale, take your left leg towards the left side. and hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale again, bring your left leg front. Inhale, lift your chest up and exhale again, bend down. Now release your left leg for Ekpadasana. Hold 1, release your leg 2, 3, sorry, without taking support of your palm, lift your leg 4 and 5. Exhale, drop your leg down, shake your leg. Now we do Ardha Baddha Padmuttanasana. Ekam inhale, bend your right leg over your left thigh and grab your right leg with your right hand behind your back. You can use belt if you have. Do exhale, bend fully forward down towards your left leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, look front. Exhale, come up. Sorry, inhale, come up. And exhale, drop your leg and drop the hands, release the leg. Shake your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee and place your left feet on your right thigh. Now grab your left feet with your left hand behind your back. Inhale, straight, lengthen your spine. And exhale, again, bend down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up. And exhale, release your leg, release your hand. Okay, now our next posture is Utkatasana, chair pose. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, bend down, Uttanasana. Treni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, come back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Tat, exhale, Adhomukha. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front for Utkatasana, chair pose. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Now bring your left leg front. Sorry, right leg first. Bring your right leg front for warrior 8. Hold into warrior 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn yourself to the left side for warrior 8. Left to out, right to in. Do not put your hands down. 1, turn yourself to the left side, left to out and right to in. 2, 3, warrior 8, turn करना है बस आपको. 4, 5, warrior B left side. Again hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left to out, right, left to in, right to out. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, come back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now relax there in Shashankasana for a few minutes. Relax into child pose, everybody. And Radhaji, relax into child pose. Okay, now touch your toes. Lift your hips high. Again, come to the downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and jump into Dandasana. Bend your knees, jump into Dandasana. Sit straight. Keep your back, neck, and head in one line. Keep your both palms beside of your both hips. Roll your shoulder, open your chest. Inhale, raise your both arms up for Paschimottanasana. Exhale, bend down for Paschimottanasana A. Grab your both big toes with your first two fingers. Inhale, straight your both elbows, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend your both elbows down. Try to touch your belly on your thighs, chest on your knee, and chin on your chin. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, grab your feet from up. Inhale, straight your spine and exhale again. Bend down. Hold again for Paschimottanasana B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, straight your both elbows. Now grab your feet from out and exhale again, bend down in Paschimottanasana. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come up, straight your elbow. Now Paschimottanasana D. Grab your right wrist with your left hand and exhale, bend down. Grab your wrist and bend down. Inhale again, look front, lengthen your spine and exhale, go fully forward down. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, press the palm on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both legs, jump front for Purvottanasana, counter pose for Paschimottanasana. Now place your both palms behind your back, Purvottanasana everybody. Now place your arms behind your back, inhale, lift yourself up and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hips down. Again, inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front for Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. Bend your right leg over your left thigh and inhale, grab your right feet with your right hand. Inhale, lift your left arm up, exhale, bend down. Inhale again, straight your spine and exhale, bend down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your elbow. Exhale, release your leg and then change your leg. Again, now bend your left feet over your right thigh. Inhale, lift your left arm up and exhale, grab your left feet behind your back with your left hand. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, bend down. Grab your right big toe or your right feet and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, straight your elbows. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front for Triyumukha Paschimottanasana. Bend your right leg at the knee, pull your right calf muscles out. Do not sit on your right leg. Keep your right feet out. Pull your calf muscles out. Do not sit in like Vajrasana on your leg. Inhale, lift your both arms up and exhale, bend down towards your left leg. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your elbow. Exhale, release your hand, release your leg. And now change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee in half Vajrasana. Inhale again, both arms up. Exhale, bend down. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees and jump into Janu Sirsasana. Now bend your right. Janu Sirsasana. Hold 3, hold there. 4 and 5. Inhale again, straight your both elbows. Exhale, release your hand, release your leg, and then change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend down. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both legs. Again, jump front for Janu Sirsasana B. Bend your right leg at the knee and sit on your right heel. Now sit on your right heel. Inhale again, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend down, put your right leg. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release the hand, release your leg and change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee and sit on your left leg. This is Janu Sirsasana B from your left leg. Again, inhale up and exhale down. Hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, palms on the mat. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front for Janu Sirsasana C. Now you have to lift your right leg and bend your right leg. Now put your right hand under your right leg, grab your right big toe and place your right big toe on the mat, and your right heel should be above of your right feet. Now inhale, lift your hips up slightly, exhale forward, grab your both legs and exhale down. Grab your left feet and exhale, go fully forward down. Try to push your knees also down and hold there. 1, 2, this is a little bit difficult. You want a good ankle movement, flexibility. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up, release your leg and then change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee, grab your left feet, come up, place your left feet down. Again, inhale, lift yourself up and try to bring your left ankle above of your left feet. Try to touch your knee on the mat. Inhale, arms up and exhale again down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, press your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both legs, jump front. Now lay down on your back. Grab your both ankle, bend your both knee, grab your both ankle. And lift your hips up for bridge pose. Bridge pose के लिए अपनी body, अपने hips को उठाइए. Put your feet down, grab your both ankles. Hold there. 1. Push as much as you can towards the ceiling. Push करिए जितना हो सके अपने hips को ऊपर. 3, 4, 5. Down. Put your hips down. Exhale. Inhale again. Second round. Lift your hips up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lay down in Shavasana for few breaths, few minutes. Relax your body. Now turn yourself to the left side. Press with your palm and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your spine straight. Do not open your eyes. Just join your both palms in front of your heart center. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now rub both palms together. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on the whole body, and gently go down your head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, just open your eyes. Namaste to everyone.
I have a question.
Yeah.
In Sun Salutation B, like some teachers say that in Utkatasana to keep your palms open, and some say that to keep your palms together.
It's okay. See, if you have a very stiffness in your shoulder, you can keep your arms open. But if you are very flexible, if you have a good mobility in your shoulder, you can press your palms closer to each other. But
Okay.
in Utkatasana, one more thing, if you will keep your arms like open, you can rotate your shoulders outward. You can do your rotation of your shoulder outward. So you feel that you can go more back. If you will rotate your shoulder out, you can feel you are moving more back with your shoulder blades. This is also a reason.
And the same with your feet, right? You can keep them together or you can keep them foot apart.
Yeah, it's okay. You can keep them together as well. You can keep just open as well because you are doing the Utkatasana thing.
Okay.
When we need to grab the toes, and if I can't bend my knees, do I need to bend the knee? I mean, like I can't keep the knee straight. Do I need to bend the knees and then grab the toes?
In forward bend poses, you are asking.
More both in standing and also when you're sitting, like you need to like grab like this.
See, you cannot grab your toes. If you cannot
I
grab
can
your
only grab like just like this.
Okay, so just bend your both knees, grab your toes, but try to pull your spine up. See, just try to pull your spine, push from lower back inside and open your chest. Roll your shoulder. If you will roll your shoulder, you will feel that your chest is opening and you will feel like your spine is lengthening. So just try to keep your spine straight. Our main motive is to not just go deep into the posture, but to take benefits of the posture. So if you want to take benefit, so we have to keep our spine straight and look front or up towards the ceiling slightly. You can place your belly on your thighs as well, but keep your spine straight. If I will make a hump like this, I am damaging my spine. So I will just bend my knees, but keep my spine straight. Then slowly, after regular practice, I can just straight my legs. And this is also a correct position. Forward bend doesn't mean you have to touch your chin or your head on your toes. If you are simply staying in this position, this is also you are doing forward bend and you're doing correct.
Okay. And for downward facing dog, I struggle to keep my hands like that. So what is the right way to place the hand, like this?
Yes.
Or like,
see, if you will place your palms inside, you will feel that something is like we don't have inward rotation much in our shoulders, but we can outward rotate our hands so much. So if you will do inside rotation, you can feel the shoulder impingement and that is not good. So what you will do, just slightly open your hands and see that this finger should be parallel. If you will place your palms like this on the mat, if I will place my palm like this on the mat, I can see that my first fingers are not parallel. They are crossing each other like this. But what I do, I just rotate and now see my both fingers are parallel. So just always try to rotate your shoulder slightly out and your elbows will automatically come in. And keep
what
your
about the
both
leg?
first finger parallel to each other. These fingers should be parallel to each other, not
And
crossing each other.
together, or like a little distance or more distance?
No, shoulder. Just you have to keep your both palms under your shoulder and then just lift your hips up. Come for the downward facing dog.
Okay. For the upward facing dog, do we need to bend our knees little bit or keep the knees straight?
You have to keep your knee straight, but it's okay if you cannot do it straight. You can take support of your knee, but the correct position of the posture is keeping your knee straight. But if you will bend also, then also it is not harmful. So you
Yeah.
can bend in starting at the learning stage.
Okay. And also, because we learned like lots of asanas in one go, is it okay to mix and match lots of asanas together, or do we need to do in a particular format?
No, in Ashtanga, we do in a particular series, in a particular format. We have to follow whatever the series is given in the book. We always follow the same series.
So we can't add something else in between? No. Okay. Okay.
Okay, then I guess if someone have any question, you can ask.
Thank you, sir, for today's class.
And namaste, everyone. Welcome.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Nice day, everyone.
Same to you, sir.